Want to switch carriers but keep your number? Here's how to leave Total Wireless smoothly. First, ensure your Total Wireless account is active and in good standing with no outstanding balance. Contact your new carrier to initiate the port, providing your Total Wireless account details and account number. Total Wireless should approve the port within 24 hours, and your number will transfer automatically, potentially with a brief service interruption. For the final bill, Total Wireless offers prorated billing. Check your final statement online or via the app. Dispute any unexpected charges through Total Wireless's online portal. Keep in mind that any unpaid balances will need to be settled. To use your Total Wireless phone with another carrier, you'll need to unlock it. Most Total Wireless devices are eligible for unlocking after 60 days of service and when the device is fully paid off. Submit an unlock request via the Total Wireless app or website. You'll receive an unlock code via SMS or email within 1 to 5 days. Once you have the code, follow your phone's instructions to unlock it, which usually involves entering the code when prompted after inserting a SIM card from another carrier. Remember to check if your unlocked phone supports the new carrier's network bands to ensure full compatibility. By 2025, Total Wireless has an initiative to unlock devices at no cost upon request.